Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes, before going to the topic, you should do the warm-up exercise. Be ready students? Everyone stand, sit, stand, sit, stand. Raise your hands. Put your hands down. Hands up. 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 Put your hands down. Okay children, listen. Why our parents are great? Why, tell me? Yes, our parents are great because they will give birth for us. As parents play great role in our developments. Yes or no? Parents play great role in our developments. They will sacrifice their life. Yes or no children? Your parents sacrifice their life. Yes, and they will give us good life to live. Yes or no children? Whatever you want, everything who will do? Everything will do parent. Yes, that's why what you have to do? You should be thank your parents, listen your parent and love your parent. Understood children? What you have to do? You should be thank to your parents and listen your parents and love your parent. Understood? This is main thing. Always you should listen your parents lifetime and you should love your parents. Understood? That's children, everyone open your workbook ma. Applications. You should fill that. Okay? Word problems. When you are doing word problems, what you have to do? First step, you should read and understand the what do I need to find out. Yes, you should read that question and what you should understand that and what do I find that, like that you should think. Yes, after that find the information given in the problem. You should find the information given in the problem. Again decide the operation to be used. Yes or no? These are steps already I told you. You should learn that steps. After that finally what you have to do? Finally you should solve the problem. You should learn these 4 steps. Understood? Already I told you. So 2 classes are already given in the 2 videos steps. That steps you should learn that. Understood children? Everyone open your workbook ma. See 15th one. There are 50 cones in a jar. 30 cones were removed. How many cones are left in a jar? See, there are 50 cones in a jar. This is very short answer question. You should write in short. Understood? There are 50 cones in a jar. Yes, 30 cones were removed. How many cones are left in a jar? See, 15th one, solution. See, 50 minus 30. See, 50 minus 30. 50 minus 30. Yes, 0 minus 0, 0. In the 5, you should minus 3. Yes. See, 3 after up to 5 you should count. 3 after 4, 5. How many fingers came? 2. That 2 you should write. What is that answer? 20 is the answer. Understood? How many cones? Remaining cones how many? 20 cones. Understood? Very short answer question that is. Okay. Short answer questions. Now, there are 420 sticks in a one box and 256 sticks in another box. How many fewer sticks does the second box have? What here I am asking? In the one box there are 420 sticks. Another box there are 256 sticks. How many less is there? Fewer means what? Some. How many? See, how many fewer sticks does the second box have? See, first of all, what you have to do? Number of sticks in the first box. See, in the first box, how many sticks? 420. Yes. Next, number of sticks in the second box. In the second box, how many? 256. Yes. Now the difference, because you should see the difference. Yes, because fewer sticks. Which box have fewer sticks? You should check. Yes, that's why. The difference in the number of sticks is equal to 420 minus 256. As you should find. See, first of all you should draw the place value chart. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. As see, 420 minus 256. As in the 0, 6 will go? No. What you have to do? You should take borrow from here. Here 10, here 6. In the 10, 6 will go? Yes, it will go. Then 6 after, up to 10 you should count. 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many fingers came? 4. That 4 you should write here. Understood? Here 1, here 5. Here, from here you should take the borrow, because 1 is less than 5. That's right. Here from you take 11. Here 3. In the 11 you should minus 5. As 5 after, up to 11 you should count. As 5 after, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. How many fingers came? 6 fingers. That 6 you should write here. Understood? Here 3, here 2. In the 3, 2 should minus. As see, 2 after, up to 3 you should count. 2 after 3, 1. That 1 you should write. What is that answer? 164. 164 is the answer. Yes, children. Are you understanding what I am doing here? See, number of sticks in the first box. How much? 420. Number of sticks in the second box. 256. Yes. The difference in the number of sticks. See, they were asking how many fewer sticks are there. One box. Yes. See, difference you should find. Yes. 420 minus 256. Yes. If you did that, what you will get? 164 you will get. Yes. Now, so the number of, what they are asking? Fewer. Yes. Sticks in the second box is 164. Understood, children? Copy in the workbook. 17th one, children. A tailor had 854 dresses to stitch. Okay. Out of which he stitched 243 dresses. How many dresses remain to be stitched? See, a tailor had how many dresses to stitch? For 854 dresses. How many stitched? 243 dresses is stitched. Remaining how many dresses are there for stitching? That one you should count. That one you should find. Understood? 17th one. See? Number of dresses to be stitched. 854. Number of dresses stitched. How many? 243. Okay. See, the number of dresses to be stitched is equal to 854 minus 243. Okay. What you have to do? First of all, you should draw the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. See, 854 minus 243. See, here 4, here 3. In the 4 you should minus 3. Yes, 3 after up to 4 you should count. 3 after 4, one finger. That one you should write. Here 5, here 3. 5 after up to 5 you should count. Yes, 4, sorry. Here 5, here 4. 4 after up to 5 you should count. Yes, 4 after 5. How many fingers came? One finger. That one you should write here. Here 8, here 2. 2 after up to 8 you should count. Yes, 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many fingers came? 6. That 6 you should write here. 611. Remaining. See? So, the number of dresses remaining to be stitched is 611. Understood? Should write in the workbook, children. Okay? Write in the workbook. Workbook part this is, you know na? Children, 18th one. There were 123 ants in an anthill, out of which 112 ants went out in search of food. How many ants were remaining in the anthill? See, what here? See, there were 123 ants in an anthill. You know anthill, children? How many saw that? Grounds. In the grounds you can see the anthills. Yes. See, they were, how many ants are there? 123 ants in an anthill, out of which 112 ants went out in search of food. See, how many ants were remaining in the anthill? See, 18th one, solution. Okay, number of ants in the anthill. How many? Number of ants in the anthill. How many? Number of ants? 123. Yes. Number of ants that went in search. Where they went? Ants. Search of food. Yes. Search of food. How many ants went? 112. 112 ants went for search of food. Yes. Number of ants remaining in the hill. Number. You should find this. Yes. Number of ants remaining in the anthill is equal to 123 minus 112. Yes. Now we should find this. As ones place, tens place, hundred place, because 3-digit numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds. As 123 minus 112. As in the 3 you should minus 2. 2 after up to 3 you should count. As 2 after 3. One finger. That one you should write here. Here 2, here 1. As in the 2 you should minus 1. 1 after up to 2 you should count. 1 after 2. Only 1. As 1 minus 1, 0. How many ants left in the anthill? 11 ants. Understood? 11 ants. So, 11 ants remain in the anthill. Understood, children? See, copy in the workbook. This 3 you should copy in the workbook. That is only your homework. Homework plus classwork, everything. Understood? 3 word problems. First of all, when you are doing word problem, what you have to do? You should read and understand what do I need to find out. Understood? Again, next, find the information given in the problem. Understood? After that, decide the operation to be used. After that, finally you should solve the problem. These steps you should keep it in your mind. Understood, children? Always these steps you should keep it in the mind and you should do the word problems. Understood, children?